everybody brings a different perspective to the training. The intermediate course, Vladimir was more sort of physical stuff and the exercise and different sort of techniques or different types of things to do. Like,
Well, he works on the daily breathing pattern.
okay.
So he really
Yeah.
focuses on getting people's daily breathing pattern organized. Because if you train your daily breathing pattern, then you don't leak the CO2 so much. You accumulate it all day long.
Yes. Yeah. And of course, the joys of doing the course is they usually bring on a bit of healing, which is a disaster because, of course, you get all the symptoms and all the rest of it. So you feel great, and then you go into it, and then all of a sudden, the wheels come off the bus, and then, but then, then it goes away. I mean, the other thing is for me, it's interesting is you've gone through different episodes of healing, and many of them I can identify with different illnesses I've had through my life. That course with Vladimir sort of brought back the symptoms I had when I was sick in my 20s. And that took, more than a month, probably 2 months to kind of gradually clear those symptoms.
That's about right. When it's something like that, something deep like that, it can take 6 weeks to 2 months.
Yeah.
But it must have been interesting to see how the method works differently through somebody else. You had your experience, and then your wife had a completely different experience. So everybody's genetics and everybody's path to the breathing deteriorating, the kinds of symptoms that appear are different in each person.
Yes, and it's also remarkable, like, I don't know what it's like when young people do what it would be like to actually not have to go through, 40 years of different conditions, you know what I mean? Before you get back, it's like a longer journey, but I guess if you're younger, you might be quicker.
Yes, it is. It is quicker. It is quicker. Yeah, because the metabolism's faster.
And less time to have probably degraded, maybe.
Yeah, and less toxicity.
And
everybody's path to the breathing deteriorating, the kinds of symptoms that appear are different in each person.